The tools that will matter in 2027, and the ones that won't every year. New tools dominate headlines, but very few dominate industries. The mistake most professionals make is assuming popularity equals longevity. In reality, tools survive for one reason: enterprise adoption. The tools that will matter in 2027 are not necessarily the loudest ones today. They will be the ones embedded into core business workflows, infrastructure platforms, AI orchestration systems, governance frameworks, cost management layers, and secure data systems. Why? Because enterprises optimize for reliability, scalability, and risk reduction, not novelty. Short-lived tools usually fall into two categories. Either they solve a narrow problem with no ecosystem support, or they depend entirely on hype cycles rather than real integration. Before investing time in any new tool, ask 3 questions. Is this part of a larger ecosystem? Does it solve a recurring enterprise problem? Is it being adopted at scale by companies, not just individuals? Tools fade. Foundational technologies evolve. If you anchor your learning around infrastructure, system architecture, data flows, and security fundamentals, you can adapt to tool changes without losing momentum. The future doesn't belong to tool collectors. It belongs to ecosystem thinkers.